Hello, it's Randy Smith from randolphsmith.com and randysapps.com with yet another of Randy's apps to show you to be added to this page once I've done this video. This is a alternative for sales copy. I've got one app on the page already, AI Copy Creator, that does things a certain way. But now we also have Sales Copy Aid that does things slightly differently. So that way you get a choice of, this video will be replaced once I've recorded it here. This way you get a choice of a different style, a different way of creating your web copy. So without further ado, let's close those and pop straight into the dashboard once you log in. So upon logging in, first thing we would need to do is pop to our profile and add our OpenAI API key. And that way it can use our own API, and that way you're only paying the pennies it costs to create whatever copy you want. So it's a one-time purchase for the app, and then all you're paying for is your own usage. Now, before we start, we don't start at dashboard or creating a copy, we start on saved offers. And the reason for that is we come into a saved offer and we click add saved offer, and this is where it works slightly differently to my other app, in that with this one it tries to give you more of an indication of what you might want to put in. So you would name an offer and then give it a product name, explain the target audience, the desired outcome, the time frame, the pain point, and you can complete as many or as few of these boxes as you wish. The more you complete, the more options you've got, and again, like with all copywriting, the more information, whether it's AI or a person, the more information they have about the product, the more they're able to frame the copy and make it an enticing offer for you. So starting in here, 18 boxes to fill in plus the name, and that gives you a saved offer. Now here's a couple that I did earlier. Free Traffic Mastery is the one that I've been using for my demos. The offer is Free Traffic Mastery, product name, target, the desired outcome, getting more traffic to your websites. Time frame I haven't completed on this one, it's not within 30 days, etc. The pain points, struggling to get the traffic, spending countless hours, investing money, still not getting the results. Unique proposition, this covers a host of traffic getting methods and it offers PLR, so there's that aspect to it as well. Features and benefits, 10 chapters, genuinely helpful, plus PLR, realising that having your own product online is going to benefit you. I don't have statistics or case studies to mention or testimonials to add in. 30-day guarantee, I'll come back to the component. We're not doing a webinar or event. There's no upsells or downsells if you wanted to mention upsells and downsells in your sales copy. And then this is the bit where I put the most detail in on the offer components. I've just given literally a full listing of everything that's in the product. 10 chapters, each chapter's got 3 sub-chapters, and they'll also get the PLR, squeeze page, landing page, graphic cover, etc. So that is the most content we've given it, with just a couple of lines in each of the others, and we've submitted that as a saved offer. I will now pop to I'll come back here momentarily, but let's pop to the dashboard now, and that's where you would then, well, you could pop to create copy and you would then say, right, let's create a copy. And the difference with this app as compared to my other app is this one gives you the full choice of whatever you've got available to you, with people claiming that ChatGPT-4 has a little more imagination, can go into a little more detail or what have you than 3.5, although I find 3.5 to be, well, the turbo versions of 3.5 to be very, very good anyway. But you can choose your own. 3.5 models are slightly cheaper than the 4 models, but it's all pennies. And then at the moment this will be expanded upon. The sales page, I think in the video I mentioned there's going to be 30 frameworks. The sales page tells you at the moment there's 19 frameworks. So we can choose, because we've now entered all the details, we can choose whether we want long form, a USP generator, webinar sign up, short form, opt-in page, all of these, even just like a workshop. And we've also got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at the moment copywriters and their style of sales copy, plus the Pass Problem Agitate Solution framework, and one of my personal favourites, Hero's Journey framework. So you would enter the name of your copy, let's say FTM, let's go free challenge. Select the offer, framework, create the content. So that's all you do is name your campaign, select the model to use, choose the framework, and then select the saved offer, and it will then pre-fill in whatever boxes are required for the type of framework that you've chosen. I'll wait while the AI does its bit, and here's our free traffic mastery challenge with a 3-day challenge on benefiting, etc, etc. So that's just as an example. You could then save that and call it the free challenge. Now we can go to the dashboard, and there's the one we've just done. So here we are at the dashboard, where we can pop along, have a look at some of the copy we've written earlier based on that completed boxes, and that shows us the copy that it's given. We've then got the opportunity to download that, copy that, save that, copy and paste it onto a doc or what have you, or we can rewrite. Now we can rewrite parts, or we can rewrite the whole thing. So I'll give it the special instructions if you wanted to please add a bulleted list of the chapters and their titles. And here we are with the original content and the new content. So scrolling down, the new content, obviously, as I've scrolled slightly more, has got more, and there it is, the chapters and their titles. Let's select the new content, and that's now in here, and we can pop in and do our own edits with the built-in WYSIWYG editor. Bold that, and then obviously we could go through chapter 1 and then chapter 2, etc, if we wanted it done this way, etc. So that shows you, and we can then save that. That shows you one of the long form copies that we did. Go back to the dashboard. We then said, what about a landing page? Now again, this just uses the saved copy that we've got in the offer. So the landing page would just pick out the parts it needed from here. You don't have to complete that again. And it then just selects the bits we needed and says, right, here's your landing page. Unlock secrets, download free, discover how, bullet points, a quick testimonial, and then enter your name and email. You'd add your own opt-in box, we respect your privacy, your email safe with us, you download. So there you've got your landing page. So if you were putting together an offer where you were saying, buy the PLR, I'll give you a landing page, I'll give you a sales page, well, you've got a landing page there, you've got your sales page, and again, that's just done from going to create copy, selecting a campaign, naming a campaign, and then choosing the landing page, where's it gone? The opt-in page. And by choosing the opt-in page, it only gets the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of the 18 boxes. Back to the dashboard. There's the hero one from that same lengthy copy that we gave. Pop back and show you another example. That was the hero. Here's the Dan Kennedy version. If we selected Dan and his style of copy, and again, all of these are fully editable, and you could rewrite any sections that you wished. But then I won't go through the rest of all of these. There's a short hero version. Now what I did there, this is where I said I'd pop back. So we've got the free traffic mastery where we put in as much information as possible. But I also thought some of us are lazy, some of us have no clue what to put in. So on this one, I've called it short because all I've done is gone, right, what's the product called? It's called Free Traffic Mastery. Who's it for? Affiliate marketers, online marketers. What's the desired outcome? Getting more traffic. Pain points, paying for traffic. It costs too much and it's a time investment as well. The unique selling proposition is it's multiple ways of getting free traffic. The features and benefits, it features a host of free traffic and it includes PLR. And then just 61 words. Offer component, an ebook on free traffic methods, it covers, and then literally just the chapter headings, and buyers also receive PLR. That's all we completed. So there's 61 words in there and the one line in each of those. Go back to the dashboard, and that gave us free traffic short. Let's have a look at the here. Oh, there's a long copy version. Just from those 61 words, and again fully editable. Let's pop back and look at the hero journey version, which again it talks about the hero's journey, proven roadmap, etc. And just for a little different, we had a look at the Frank Kern version, if writing it in a style that Frank Kern might write. And again, you can pause the video and have a look. I'm just trying to show you that each example will give you a different style of copy. And then the one that we just did was the free challenge, wasn't it? So yeah, whether you want a landing page, whatever, all it is create the copy, select the framework that you need, whether it's an upsell page, a downsell page, software as a service homepage, webinar, yeah, webinar sign up, FTM. And it just picks out the, what's that, 2, 4, 5 boxes. Oh, I didn't select the price. Oh, dearie me. Given that the offer info tags were empty, I'll create a hypothetical webinar for you. How's that? I'm going to leave this in the video. So I forgot to select the offer setting. But here's a hypothetical webinar. Step-by-step guide to achieving live webinar. Why attend, benefit 1, 2, 3, about the webinar, presenter credentials, etc. So yeah, let's save that. It's a good example, Webby, of the type of content to include on a webinar registration page. So with that, that's what you've got, is you can come along, create your own saved offer, just by literally completing the boxes. The more information you can put, the more the copy can help you. Then create your copy and literally select the framework for whatever type of copy or the style of copy that you're looking for, as well as selecting the model of GPT that you wish. Give it a name. When you're completed, you can save it and then come back to the dashboard at any point in time. View the copy, edit it, tweak it, download it, copy it, delete it. Choice is yours, and there's a training and tips page. I'll put this video on there as well. So I hope that shows everything and gives you an idea of how to use the app. Okie dokie. So that's Randy Smith signing off. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye for now.